meter, hoor. Wat heb je erin, hoor? Wel doen. I think I'd horse get the left, like. What's that beter hier next time? Oh, look at that now. What do I?
The big one, that one.
Oh, they're both okay. Well done, Gertie. Beautiful squid. Did you get squid now? Oh, I hope so. That's a good one. Big squid, that one.
Yeah, it's a great squid. He does. Yeah, silver see I get a larger in the market.
Another in. Get him in. They're getting bigger, I think. Swing him in before he comes off. Another squid, just see the ink.
Oh, let's see the ink myself. Hey, everything.
What a beauty.
Use your ink. Oh.
Get him in before he comes off. What the beauty, they're getting bigger, Billy. What are they doing here? Big squid. And another in.
Hey.
Get him in. Get him in quick. In case he comes off. Another in, Billy. Oh, get in that Freddie. You're going to wash him. Oh, gee, that's lucky. That's lucky. Lost him, dude. Boy, that's big squid, man.
Looks like we're bears that are trying now.
Huh?
Looks like we're bears that are trying now.
Exactly. Squid again. Take that thing. Oh, it's a bunny cord. Ja, he's just lost in here in who seat. Quick now. Right. Go Wayne, go now Wayne. Very good. Very good here, huh? Oh, he's full of water in here. What is this, Scooty? This will be another squid out here. Oh, it's a bonnet good. Right. Right.
There is a bit of squid in that tub and all in the bottom of that, probably a bug.
Henry. Gonna lift them up to the road. You might be better getting in there today. Well done, well done. Oh, well done. Ah, you lost it.
Oh, you will.
just in case. Billy!
Come on! The hook's on, so come on with it.
Gotta get it stopped. What the hell he said? Obviously I told him.
That one's okay. Fuck that.
Oh, you beauty! Oh, well done! What a beauty!
Look at this southern corner run. Get away run.
That's a good size, mate.
Rocker.
Get away run.
Oh, that's fine, I'll get it.
Right, brother.
Yeah, right.
That's a morning corner.
Right, keep him in the water.
Jim.
There's one on. Careful. Any fish?
Aye, still on it. Hang on, yeah.
Aye.
Put their meat on it.
Yep.
Yeah.
I thought it was bigger than that, getting that ready. I think the seal's going to get you quick as you can.
I think the seal's gone.
I think
seal's good.
You'll just hear heat left your fish. We're just going to heat with this. Alright, I'll tell you. Alright. Just the heat. This will be the 4 beagle shark. The seal's good, see it?
Fuck
Right?
me. Fuck.
Seal's good.
Okay.
needing to use a net. It's not big enough for a seal.
What?
That's a shame, that was a good fish. Aye. You just get to heat it now, maybe. Aye, seal, look, see it.
Back.
Yeah. Petit goatens move. Look at that, that's a good fish. And try and get it up quick. Before that seal gets it. You get your in, you know. Well done. 1 to Craig, 0 to the seal.
Oh, 20 ross.
Oh, what a ross.
Beautiful.
Okay. What a beauty. Look at that. Beautiful colours. Right, Billy, we'll get them back quick. Good. Tweak them up.
Yeah, but that's... Sorry? Aye. We've actually had figurines.
Lose their colour when they get bigger, do they?
No. No, not at all. He's got
He's good one.
Aye. Come on, while we have.
You want to get a heat, Billy? You can knock crap at heat.
Can't you tell him to take it up? Oh, he's along with my hook now.
Oh, the hook, yeah.
Yeah, now let's see I throw it to him.
Short and smooth. Oh, he's fishing. Yes, he's away. He must have put him back in his move, he ain't back.
Yeah, right. I think I'm hooked.
That's one. Good stuff. Right, get on back and forth. Right. Oh, you're up best. That's a goodie. Oh, see ya. Clear water, huh?
It's not a little tiddly wee thing again, is it? That's a big enough shot.
Look, Elaine, look. Right, back out quick. Give me a cash before you let him go. Right, perfect.
Slowly down though. He's away.
He's away. Yep. He's just waiting for you to catch a fish, Billy.
Yeah, I just caught him. Say that, I'm on the block. I'm on the block. Hard block. That's how we
That's
good.
the shield, good. Yeah.
You good smell good?
I just keep winding them up.
Keep winding.
You'll just see a heat again. Right, look. Another heat. It's a ling that thing.
Aye.
The heat of a ling. Seals coming for you, Craig. I see him on a fish meter. What are you good at? You'll do it.